This video will step you through how to import best practice clinical software templates into your best practice software, how to use the template, and how to send via secure messaging. To begin with, open a patient and navigate to the word processor logo at the top left-hand corner. Once you've opened it, go to Templates, Import Template, and find where you'd saved the template. Make sure it's in a rich text format and click Open. Now you'll notice these single brackets throughout the template, and that's how you know it's a best practice template. To save, go to File, Save As, and save it as something easy to remember, such as refer your patient. Make it available for all users and click Save. If you're overwriting an old template, click Yes. Now to use the template, go to Templates, Use Template, search for where you'd saved the template previously, open, and now you'll be able to populate information into the referral. Once you're happy with it, just ensure you've got the correct patient name and date of birth. And if you have secure messaging, you can send via HealthLink by clicking the red arrow at the top that says Send HL7 File. You can copy and paste an address, or you can search for your addressee. And then click Save to send. Or if you have medical objects, you can press on your keyboard Control and A to highlight everything and Control and C to copy everything. The M will pop up, so double click on that. And information should automatically populate into the medical objects referral client. If this doesn't automatically populate, you can always search up using the red button. Otherwise, if you're happy, you can click this button to send. Now, once you've sent the referral, it should now be sitting in your correspondence out. And that's how you import, use, and send referrals via secure messaging.